In today's video, I'll show you how to change the color of the estimated total text and the value next to it on the cart page in Shopify Dawn theme. And for the purpose of this example, let's change the color to red. So at first, log into Shopify admin account, and then select Online Store. Now locate Dawn theme and then select Customize. Once the editor loads on the left side of the screen, look for theme settings. It looks like gear icon. And then scroll all the way to the bottom and expand the custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the estimated total. Let's right click on it and then select inspect. To change the color of the estimated total text, we'll target the following class selector, which is totals _total. And to change the color of the value, the class selector is about the same. It's totals _total -value. And both of them are nested within the totals container. Perfect. Let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period totals space period totals _total. Open left and right curly braces. Place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color space. Then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me pick the red color. Make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Let's go back to the editor and paste it right in here. Make sure to add the semicolon in the end. Now let's save the changes. Let's go back to the cart page. Let's try refreshing it. As you can see, the estimated total text is now in red. Now let's apply the same change to the amount. Let's go back to the editor. Let's copy the current rule. Let's add some space. Paste it underneath. And then after total, add -value. And once again, save the changes. Once again, let's go back to the cart page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can notice, the estimated total amount is also in red. And this change will be reflected on the cart drawer too, right over here. So as usual, I hope you found this short video helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.